What's up YouTube, Cyn'z here from Cyn'z Collectibles, and today I'm going to be unboxing the January Loot Crate of 2017, of course. So let's get into it. When you open the box, this is what you're going to see. We'll start off with the, what is that, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. What is that? Obviously we got Geeky Tikis, that's what it's called. And from the looks of it, we got Donatella. And that's what he looks like. And I feel like I just got an email saying that we can actually go and collect them all online, obviously with the Loot Vault. So that's, if you want the whole set, if you're a collector and you collect everything, then you know where to find it. Next is we have the first Avengers 1940s champion, 1940s Captain America shield, if I could read. It's a 1:6 scale replica. That's what it looks like. The back of it looks like. And then the certificate of authenticity. And then it comes with like a plastic stand, I believe. The next thing besides the comic book is a shirt, so I'll do the shirt next. Put that over there. And the shirt is an original, it says the original since 1981. You can see that. That over to the side. Next we have an Action Comics. Let's see, with a certificate of authenticity, a DC certificate, June 1938. And we have the Loot pin. It's a January theme was Origins. It's a Ninja Turtles pin. And then that was the book. That always spoils everything. And open that. And this is what the box can turn into, which is just like your whole neat little comic book holder. It's always positive. Yeah. And that if you would like to read it. So many pages in this book. But, I'm not going to go through all the pages. We'll just try to find what's featured in the boxes. See, and that's what the 5 of these look like. Yeah. So I think that's all for Loot Crate for 2017. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you like. Don't have to. Thanks, YouTube.